Digital marketing is one of the hottest skills you can learn in 2025 if you want to unlock greater opportunities. Hi, I'm Nandakishore, and today I'm going to share with you all 5 high demand digital marketing skills that could help you earn anywhere from 50k to 1 lakh rupees a month. And yes, it's totally possible because of the huge demand for digital marketers right now with over 8,60,000 job opportunities worldwide. However, there is a shortage of skilled professionals, creating what's known as digital skills gap. With huge job opportunities and a shortage of skilled professionals to fill them, there is no better time than now to jump into the world of digital marketing. If you watch till the end, I'll share a transformative free report from HubSpot that talks about AI-powered innovation, shifting consumer behavior, and the future of marketing that's both smarter and more human. Make sure to watch till the end. So, a little bit about me. I'm Nandakishore, and I've been in the digital marketing space for about 5 years now. Over time, I've seen the industry evolve, and I have learned a lot along the way. Now, if I were starting my journey as a digital marketer in 2025, here is exactly how I would approach it. Digital marketing is a booming field. In fact, it's projected to grow by 32.1%, hitting a massive $24.1 billion by 2028. And with almost 6 billion people expected to be online by 2027, the demand for skilled digital marketers is skyrocketing. This is your golden opportunity to learn new skills and kickstart your career in the digital world. Skill number 1, content writing. Alright, the first in-demand skill is content writing. This is a special skill that you can use in any digital marketing channels. Whether it's a website design, social media posts, blog posts, etc., it's very essential for you to have this writing skill. So it's a foundation for you if you learn this skill, as you are going to use it across all your digital marketing activities. So what exactly is content writing? At its core, content writing is all about creating relevant, valuable, and engaging material that speaks to your target audience. This could be blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, or even website copy. Why content writing is important for digital marketers now? You might be wondering, why is content writing is important for digital marketers? Great question. Content is the backbone of digital marketing. It's how brands communicate their message, showcase their expertise, and build trust with their audience. Just imagine this. You are scrolling through Instagram and you see a post with a catchy caption that speaks directly to you. Or maybe you land on a blog that answers all your questions in a clear, engaging way. That's the power of good content writing. It grabs attention, holds interest, and drives action. Whether that's clicking a link, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Let's talk about some real-world use cases. Blog posts, perfect for driving organic traffic to your website. Through SEO, a well-written blog post can position a brand as an industry leader. Social media content, from witty tweets to engaging Instagram captions, content writing helps brand connect with their audience on a personal level. Email marketing, crafting compelling email copy can significantly boost open rates and conversions. Website copy, clear, concise, and persuasive website content improves user experience and guides visitors through the sales funnel. Ad copy, whether it's for Google Ads or social media campaigns, powerful copy can make or break the success of an ad. How content writing helps new digital marketers? For new digital marketers, strong content writing skills can set you apart. Here is how. Versatility. No matter what niche you choose, content is always needed. Career opportunities, from freelance gigs to full-time roles, content writers are in high demand. Building authority. If you can articulate your ideas clearly, you establish yourself as a knowledgeable professional. Enhancing other skills. Understanding content helps with SEO, social media strategy, and even paid advertising. So, if you're serious about career in digital marketing, start honing your content writing skills today. Practice writing regularly, read diverse content, and always focus on adding value to your audience. State of Marketing Report by HubSpot. Now, if you are planning to learn digital marketing in 2025, then you should be aware of the latest marketing trends that will define your 2025 marketing strategy and help you stay ahead in an AI-first world. According to this report by HubSpot, marketers are more focused than ever on personalization, with nearly 75% prioritizing personalized content. And speaking of content, video is king, with 85% of marketers seeing a positive impact on ROI through video marketing. Another major trend, AI. It's changing the game, helping marketers automate tasks, create smarter ads, and optimize campaigns more effectively. But despite all the tech advancements, brands are still focused on building authentic human connections with their audiences. Social media continues to reign, but platforms like TikTok and Instagram are getting more attention than ever for driving engagement and conversions. It's clear that adaptability and tech-driven strategies are key to staying ahead in the marketing space. If you are a marketer, now is the time to learn into personalization, explore AI, and always keep the customer at the center of your marketing strategy. Check out the full HubSpot report linked in the description for all the insights. Skill number 2, search engine optimization. SEO. search engine optimization. It is one of the top skills in digital marketing. If you have ever wondered how websites magically appear on the first page of Google, let me tell you, it's not magic, it's SEO. And if I were diving into digital marketing in 2025, this would be my go-to foundational skill. Here is why it matters and how you can master it. Search engine optimization or SEO is one of the most critical skills for any digital marketer. Simply put, SEO is the process of your website and content to rank higher on search engines like Google. The better your SEO, the more visibility your content gets, which means more leads, more traffic, and ultimately more conversions. Why SEO is important for digital marketers now? Just think about this. When was the last time you went to second page of Google search results? Very less, right? Exactly. Most people find what they need on the first page itself. And SEO is the skill that helps your content get there. It's not just about stuffing keywords into the articles. It's about creating quality content that search engines and people both love. And when both these happen, your content ranks on the first page of Google search result page. SEO helps brands increase organic traffic, build credibility and trust, improve user experience, achieve long-term marketing success without relying solely on paid ads. Let's break down some real-world use cases where SEO plays crucial role. Website optimization. From improving page load speed to mobile friendliness, technical SEO ensures your site meets search engine standards. Content creation, blog posts, articles, and landing pages optimized with relevant keywords can drive consistent and targeted traffic. Local SEO, perfect for small businesses aiming to attract local customers through Google Maps and location-based searches. E-commerce SEO helps online store rank product pages, increasing visibility and sales. YouTube SEO. Yes, even YouTube has its own SEO practices to help videos rank better on search results. How SEO helps new digital marketers? For new digital marketers, learning SEO can open doors to numerous opportunities. High demand. SEO specialists are sought after in almost every industry. Cost-effective marketing. SEO offers sustainable growth without hefty ad budgets. Measurable results. With tools like Google Analytics, you can track the effectiveness of your strategies. Career flexibility. Whether you want to freelance, work in-house, or start your own agency, SEO skills are invaluable. Mastering SEO might seem overwhelming at first, but it's a game changer for digital marketers. Start by learning the basics of keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Keep experimenting, stay updated with the latest algorithm changes, and you will see the impact of your efforts. Skill number 3, social media marketing. The third skill I would learn is social media marketing. Let's be honest, we spend so much time on these platforms anyway, so why not turn that time into a career skill? Social media is where brands connect with audiences, and in 2025, this skill will be more powerful than ever. Social media marketing or SMM is another must-have skill for digital marketers. It involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok to promote products and services. Social media isn't just for staying connected with friends anymore. It's a powerful tool for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience. Why social media marketing is important for digital marketers? Well, think about how much time people spend on social media daily. Brands have a golden opportunity to connect with their potential customers where they are already hanging out. Social media marketing allows for a real-time interactions, brand storytelling, and building a community around your products or services. SMM helps brands increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads and sales, build strong customer relationship, gather insights through direct audience feedback. Well, here are some real-world use cases for SMM. Content promotion, sharing blogs, videos, and other content to reach a broader audience. Paid advertising, targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram can reach specific demographics effectively. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers to tap into their established audiences. Community management, engaging with followers, responding to comments, and fostering a loyal community. Analytics and insights, using platform analytics to measure campaign performance and refine strategies. How social media marketing helps new digital marketers? For beginners, SMM offers dynamic and creative way to make an impact. Broad reach, connect with global audiences instantly, cost-effective, organic reach, and low-cost ads make it accessible for all budgets. Diverse roles, opportunities in content creation, strategy, paid advertising, and more. Real-time results, immediate feedback on what works and what doesn't, helping you learn quickly. Social media is constantly evolving, which makes it both exciting and challenging. To excel, stay updated with platform algorithm trends and best practices. Experiment with the different content types and engagement strategies to find what resonates with your audience. Skill number 4, analytics and reporting. That brings us to the fourth skill. Let's talk about numbers, analytics and reporting. Now I know some of you might be thinking, math. But trust me, this is the superpower that separates good marketers from great ones. In 2025, data-driven decisions will be everything. Analytics and reporting is a fundamental skill for digital marketers. It involves collecting, analyzing and interpreting data to measure the performance of marketing campaigns. With analytics, you can understand what's working, what's not, and how to make data-driven decisions to improve your strategies. Why is this skill so crucial? In digital marketing, every click, views, and conversion tells a story. Without analyzing these data points, you are essentially flying blind. Analytics helps marketers optimize campaigns, measure ROI, and understand their audience better. It helps brands to analyze, track key performance indicators, measure campaign effectiveness, identify trends and patterns, make informed decisions, justify marketing spend with concrete data. Here are some practical use cases where analytics play a key role. Website traffic analysis. Tools like Google Analytics help track visitors, their behavior, and conversion rates. Campaign performance. Evaluate how well social media, email, or PPC campaigns are performing. Customer insights. Understand demographics, interests, and user journeys to tailor marketing strategies. A/B testing. Compare different versions of content or ads to see which performs better. Sales funnel analysis. Identify drop-off points and optimize the customer journey for higher conversions. How analytics and reporting helps new digital marketers. For beginners, mastering analytics can set you apart in the digital marketing field. Data-driven decisions. Make strategic choices backed by real data. Skill versatility. Applicable across SEO, social media, content marketing, and more. High demand. Companies value marketers who can prove ROI and optimize campaigns effectively. Continuous improvement helps you learn and adapt quickly based on performance metrics. Analytics and reporting may seem complex at first, but it's an incredibly powerful skill. Start by getting familiar with tools like Google Analytics, Google Data Studio, and social media insights. Focus on understanding key metrics and how they can relate to your marketing goals. Skill number 5, PPC advertising. Finally, let's talk about PPC, pay per click advertising. If you want fast, measurable results, PPC is your best friend. It's like flipping a switch to get traffic to your website. PPC advertising or pay per click advertising is another key skill for digital marketers. It's a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than earning them organically. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads are popular for PPC campaigns. Why is PPC so important? It offers immediate visibility, precise targeting, and measurable results. Unlike SEO, which takes time to show results, PPC can drive traffic almost instantly once your campaign is live. PPC advertising helps brands reach their target audience quickly, control their budget and ad spend, generate leads and sales fast, test marketing strategies effectively, gain insights from ad performance data. Here are some practical use cases for PPC advertising. Search ads appear at the top of Google search results when users search for specific keywords. Display ads, visual banner ads that appear on websites within Google's display network. Social media ads, paid ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn targeting specific demographics. Remarketing campaigns, re-engage users who have previously visited your website but didn't convert. Shopping ads, ideal for e-commerce businesses to showcase products directly in search results. For beginners, learning PPC can open doors to diverse opportunities. Fast results, see immediate outcomes from your campaigns. Flexible budgets, start small and scale as you learn what works. Valuable insights, gain data on user behavior, conversion rates, and ad effectiveness. High demand, PPC specialists are in demand across industries due to their ability to drive quick, measurable growth. PPC advertising might seem overwhelming at first with all its metrics and settings, but it's a powerful tool for any digital marketer. Start by exploring Google Ads and Facebook Ads platforms, experiment with small budgets, and gradually refine your strategies based on performance data. The digital marketing landscape in 2025 will be dynamic, with AI, personalization, and data playing even bigger roles. By mastering these 5 skills, SEO, social media, analytics, PPC advertising, and content writing, I would position myself as a highly sought after digital marketer. The key is to keep learning, experimenting, and staying ahead of the curve. Let me know in the comments how you would learn digital marketing in 2025. Follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK for more tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, create, inspire, and achieve.